So today we are on a special trip down to Columpton. Is he pulling faces? Is that it? Columpton?
Chudley this is.
Oh, Chudley.
Chudley. Sounds similar to Dudley.
Chudley.
Chudley.
So we're going to Chudley to pick
on the other
up.
side of Chudley.
To pick up?
Dunsford. That's where we're going.
Ah, nice. Dunsford. Hello everybody. We're going to Dunsford to pick up Lightning McQueen.
Yeah, we're just loading up now. Yeah, we were running a bit late. Bloody Newton Abbot was a nightmare. Yeah. So we're just here now, loading up. We'll be with you for half hour or something like that, 40 minutes. All right, lovely. Cheers, bye.
How you doing, right?
How we doing?
Good.
I never thought we'd be picking Lightning McQueen up. So what was it then? What is it? What's it?
This?
Yeah.
I've not a bloody clue. I think it was off a film set. They made about 4-5 cars.
Right.
And
I don't even think it is a shell, is it? It's just...
It is a prop, isn't it? It's
Just
not
this-
even a...
It's not even on a... It's not a car.
No,
shell.
it is just a prop, isn't it?
Yeah.
Goodbye Lightning, yeah. I hope so anyway. He might just piss off now and leave it. Well, you got to take it.
Yeah.
It doesn't blend in with the marine
It
stuff.
doesn't, does it? It doesn't
No,
suit.
it never has.
No.
Nah, he got it for his kids. It was a bit of fun, like,
Yeah.
you know. That was it. And,
Fabulous.
so.
Well, I'll let somebody drive a forklift and chuck it on my trailer,
I'll bung it on for thee.
and I'll
You
tie
just
it
go
down.
around.
Tie it down and then get it gone. Never a dull moment. Venom, is it?
So we just loaded up Lightning McQueen, and they're going to have us. They've let us have a look around their warehouse, which is all sorts of stuff for sale, from like out of boats, and there's all like film companies and stuff who hire this stuff or buy this stuff. I mean, it's just full of incredible bits, like this chair. £3 grand. These, look at it, like. So we just have a little mooch around here before we shoot off with Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck?
We haven't bought
I
it.
didn't look at the front.
We're just delivering it.
That's it,
Leave me there all day.
You don't have to go in the morning.
Have a lovely day, gentlemen and ladies.
Which side do you want it? Perfect, that's where we're going.
Oh, was that one of the little camera?
Just out the shot.
Yeah.
Just because the angle of it, is it?
Yeah. On the hood bar. Yeah.
Probably something.
Yeah. So, Morgan, what's the craziest thing you've done lately?
Might have recovered Lightning McQueen.
Recovered. Yeah. Goodbye.